The Zahnow Library has several options for finding streaming videos. The library subscribes to Academic Video Online, also called AVON. AVON provides full instant streaming access to over 70,000 videos and clips. You can search for a title or browse by topic, and all films can be embedded or shared. The library also has access to a database called Canopy. At SVSU, Canopy is a mediated video database. This means if you find a video you want, you will get a request form if it is not already leased. Please fill out the form and the library will respond within 3 business days. Once the film has been leased, the library will contact you. If you cannot find a specific film, please contact us. One of the librarians will be happy to assist you regarding your film's availability. SVSU librarians can be reached at https://librarysubjectguides.svsu.edu/help or 989-964-42.